In this video, I'm going to show you an AI tool that you can use to create text to image completely free of charge, and it is unlimited. To have access to this AI tool, it is called Meta AI. Just go to meta.ai and just log in with your account, either Facebook or Instagram, and it will bring you over here. You can just go ahead and type in whatever text you have, whatever prompt you have, and it's going to generate a fantastic image for you. Let's have a look. Just go over here and click on create. Wonderful. With just one click, and you can see the wonders that it has given me. A lion riding a bicycle. So you can check the styles over here, the models, the moods, the lighting, and the coloration. You can always come over here, or you can download this. You can click and you can hover over, copy, download, or edit if you want to edit. You can do many other things from here. Okay? If you find this helpful, please leave a like.